Hello, I'm Vivek Janakiraman. I'm VP of Technology at U4EA, and I've been with the company for a few years now, since 2004, and I've been working on the development of the range of multi-service business gateways for U4EA. Quality of service is perhaps one of the biggest challenges in delivering reliable IP communications to small, medium businesses. And this is a problem that service providers face, and so do SMBs themselves who are trying to deploy other means of communications. U4EA has developed a very comprehensive solution by delivering a range of devices that guarantee quality for unified communications across the range of SMB offices, starting from the low end, where you have SOHO users, maybe 1 or 2 people, and going all the way up to 250 users working in a single site. And what we've assembled here is the range of U4EA Business Gateway products, and also certain solution bundles with key business partners like Polycom and Vitel. So over here we have the usual U4EA Fusion 500 device, which is the high-end multi-service business gateway. It has a modular architecture, which means that there are lots of options depending on the particular use case that a customer wants to apply it to. This device supports multiple T1 WAN interfaces. It also has a PRI interface for legacy PBXs, and it has POTS and PSTN interfaces for survivability and analog phones. Now, this device is a true business-in-a-box concept, where we are providing all the data, security, voice, and QoS functionality that is required by SMBs. And in a sense, we are converging up to 4 or 5 different devices in a single box and creating a very economical solution for service providers, and also something that's really easy to manage. And along with the Fusion 500 device, we have IP phones from Polycom, and also an IP PBX from Digium, which is called the Switchbox. Now, this is based on the Asterisk platform, and it is very feature-rich, but also very low cost and perfect for small and medium businesses. Over here we have the U4EA Fusion 300 wireless LAN controller, which is a fantastic complement for the Fusion 500 because it enables mobility in small and medium businesses. Mobility is a very important thing in pretty much any kind of business environment these days. And it's even more important in certain vertical markets like manufacturing and retail, and even healthcare and hospitality. So here we have one consisting of the Fusion 300 wireless LAN controller, the Fusion 50 access points, which are lightweight, which means that you can have multiple access points deployed with a single controller, but all configured and managed centrally. And we have the 8002 Polycom Spectralink Wi-Fi phones. Now, these phones are Wi-Fi WMM enabled, which means that they have quality of service from the U4EA Fusion 300. And over here we have the Fusion 200, which is the little brother of the Fusion 500. And this is perfect for smaller offices. And once again, it's bundled with Polycom phones. And over here we have a video phone running a service from Vitel. And over here we just have another SMB office simulation where we're using a competing device where we will show the differences between U4EA's GOS and other forms of QoS that are used currently in the market. Now, we'll get to that later. And finally, we have the Horizon HG1100, which is a perfect device for the SOHO market, where you may have 2 to 10 users in a single office, and they have the same needs as users in larger offices do. So we have created a one-of-a-kind device which integrates Wi-Fi capabilities, SIP, POTS connectivity, and all the normal firewall NAT capabilities that are required. And once again, it has full U4EA GOS capabilities with the 9 priority classes for prioritizing unified communications applications.